Hi guys, good morning. I hope everyone is doing well and welcome to one more video of our daily analysis. I'm sorry the video is a little bit delayed, but I have some construction work going on above my house, so that is going to give some uneven noises time to time and please bear with it. I'll do my best to reduce the sounds in the editing, but markets have been same after the weekends, nothing much. Yesterday we saw some push up and then it has been consolidating since then. So without wasting any time, guys, let's start. Before starting, I'll just make few announcements. You can see that this is the Discord group we have already launched. It's the My CryptoPal Discord group. We just started it yesterday. And people who are on my Telegram channel and Twitter have got this link. So please come and join us. I'll post the link for the Discord in the description of this video. And you can go, just click it and join. Okay, here we have the subscriber flows over here. And we have different sections where you can come and chat with each other, and I'll be available whole day on Discord, so we can do live chats and live streamings on Discord. Okay, so this will be where the subscribers info will come, and this will be where my updates and everyday links that I do and that I want to update my community, it will come over here. Okay, so please come and join us today in the evening. We'll try to do a live stream with all the members who have joined since yesterday and whoever joins today. So Indian Standard Time 1700 hours or 5 p.m. Before that, please join the Discord and join us for the first live stream of My CryptoPal. Okay, having said that, let's start with the market analysis, guys. So as you can see that we are on the BTC chart now, because you always know the reason why I start with BTC. Now this is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you can see that from yesterday we predicted that this zone will offer quite a good support to BTC, and because the local POC was over here, so I gave a call in the Telegram group that 23,900 will offer a very good support over here. You can see markets have been wicking around that zone and trying to consolidate. So yeah, so all markets are doing is consolidating in one zone. So we need to wait for markets to break out of this zone and show us the direction before. In this anything can happen. It can go down to test the upper areas or put in a higher high over here, or it can break down below. Okay, so you can see that this is the parallel channel we have been following on higher time frames. Let's go to 4 hours. Let's start with there. You can see that this is the parallel channel I've drawn by joining this to support, and I've only extended it from this high because this is the first thing I'll target over here. This will be my first zone, but I'm still looking for a rejection up here. If BTC goes here and taps this area, this will be best. If no, then this will be the first line to target. As you can see, if you go down in the chart, then you won't be able to see any major areas over there, because this will come around 25,480, and let's see, we have some resistance around here. If you want to mark this resistance, then yeah, you can see that this will be the zone where markets can come and tap, and it's aligning with our parallel channel. Okay, so this will be the first resistance zone, and this will be the second resistance zone. Okay, so mark this like this on your chart, guys, and keep an eye on it, because once you mark it, it will be quite easier for you. And don't put 4x here. I just put it so the visibility is clear. Just stick to 1x. Okay, and if you want your charts not to be messy, reduce the opacity of it, or change this to dotted lines or dashed lines. I normally use dotted lines with 2x because I think that gives me a very good indication, and I normally put my opacity at 33%. Okay, this way I can see the chart properly and I don't miss out on the levels also. So having said that, this is the first resistance I'll target, and this is the second resistance I'll target. Okay, so if the market comes in over here, I'll try to lay in my shorts over here, or if the first point will be here in the rejection, because you can see quite clearly if we drop down to 2 hours time frame, then you can see that market has been rejecting quite strongly over here. You can see one time over here, two times, three times, four times. Okay, so this layer has been offering some very good rejections, but you can see that the market is also finding support around the local POC or in the downward movement. So every time the market gets rejected from a point, it tries to consolidate at the next support, which is below the resistance. It tries to accumulate. So that is why you can see that it is taking some time. But believe me that this is a healthy signal. That means if a market is consolidating near support, then it's a good indication that anything can happen. I mean, markets can go down and up, but the more it stays at a point, the more buyers will step in. And you can see that relative to to this one, the RSIs are continuously putting bullish divergence. You can see quite a few bullish divergence being created already since last night. So yeah, and I hope that this signifies that a lot of buyers are stepping in at that level, and I think that markets will consolidate a little bit more today, and maybe during the London Open, it will try to break out and test upper resistance. Okay, if it successfully breaks this level and tests it as support, then it can go and tap higher areas, or it can reject from here or from here or from here. Okay, there are three resistance points over here, so we'll see. We are all in a ETH long that I posted yesterday in my group. I don't think that I have the ETH chart over here, but yeah, let's add. So yeah, and today morning you can see that this is the signal we were looking on with close stop losses over here. Okay, stop loss around 2%. I keep a tight stop loss always, and I don't. I think I averaged my entry now to 1.87278. I posted in the group. I forgot now. So my 2% stop loss will be here because I still don't know. I'm not sure what will happen with the market. That is why I said I'm taking a little long. That means my risk management will be quite tight in this. And if the markets do anything opposite, then I'll be looking to exit it. Okay. So in the 15 minutes time frame, if you want to draw a parallel channel and see, then you can join these two parallel these two highs over here and just drop down, and you can see that currently we are holding this support from this parallel channel. Let me just make it more legible for you. Yeah, so you can see join these two highs and just touch the support below over here and extend it. Okay, so I think this is the channel we are looking at now, and I hope that markets will come find some support over here. If it does not find support over here, it can break down, and if you apply some Fibonacci levels for this whole impulse wave up, then you can see that there is a lot of support around this area over here. Okay, so it can come down here, put in a swing failure trade from this layer over here, and you can always take a swing failure long over here. Okay, so these are the three patterns I'll be looking for trading BTC today. This will be my plan, and I'll just stick to my plan, and I will wait for markets to show me what to do. But so far markets are consolidating and nothing much. If you want to analyze the stock market videos that we posted yesterday, you can see that everything has tapped the top of our channel. So I think this week, probably mid of the week, we should see some reversal, but I'll expect S&P to come and at least test this level and then drop down. But you can see that all the zones that we had marked on S&P 500, it is following it beautifully. Okay, same thing goes for Nasdaq. You can see Nasdaq has entered our liquidity grab zone that we marked over there because everyone was going short over here. I said no, there is still little bit market can go up. So you can see that it has entered our liquidity grab zone. Now this can be my first resistance over here. This is a 2 hours time frame, so this resistance doesn't count much, but yeah, in this whole zone it can start to reject. Now going at wicks, you can see that the VIX fear index is reducing little bit. Yeah, it is constantly in a downtrend, and like I mentioned, that this is the support where I want to see VIX coming to. So I hope that today in the trading sessions, VIX will come here and then BTC can go up. Okay, but it can happen anyway, guys. It can go up and then come down also. So you have to be prepared for both scenarios and keep monitoring it, and just do what market shows you, and don't overextend. Okay, you can see DXI also, the prediction that we had made, it is still following and just consolidating over here. Yeah, so if you look for immediate resistance patterns, then you can see that if you just join these two lines, it is above the first resistance and it is also above the primary resistance over here. That is why you can see that when other indexes are pushing up, BTC is not pushing up because DXY is also going up. So mixed sentiments from the market, but you can see it is approaching a major resistance now in the horizontal channel, and you can see that this line was acting at as a support over here, and since then it has been acting as resistance. Now it is trying to test it again. So if DXY finds some resistance over here, then it will come down and try to find the next support. But if this happens, then for sure BTC will go and tap higher areas. Okay, but a sign of consolidation around support is always good. So I'm positive with this trade and I'll see what will happen. Okay, like I said yesterday, I updated in my group that I have closed my BTC long over here. I had put 25,200 as the take profit, and you can see it went to 25,207 on Binance chart, and yeah, that is how I got out of the trade. I think I'm in some longs right now. The one is ETH I gave yesterday, and I think I'm long on Room and Phantom. Yeah, rest all longs I have taken profits on. Sadly, I could not short this move because I was quite busy. There was Independence Day in India, and I prefer not to trade and spend that time with my family. And don't overtrade, guys, because if you have hit your levels for the week, then you don't need to overtrade. Yeah, I mean, we were long from this zone over here, yeah, and we took our profits over here. So even if we were on spot, this was quite a good exit point for you. And if you're just making 11.46% in 1 week, then there is nothing like it. Okay, so you don't need to overtrade it, and just whenever you're ready to trade, come and see the charts, or else it will cause FOMO and FUD. Okay, so this is about BTC, guys. Now moving on to ADA, you can see that yesterday that the drawings that we drew, ADA came and is finding support around this parallel channel over here, and you can see there was a very good swing failure entry for ADA over here, and I've seen that a lot of people have taken this trade, so good job, guys. And yeah, if BTC consolidates, ADA will try to consolidate as well. But if BTC consolidate at supports, normally altcoins tend to start moving up with their BTC pair. Okay, so if BTC breaks up, then the targets for ADA will remain same. Nothing changes. So yeah, that is why I didn't spend so much time on these coins, because markets will just do what BTC does. Yeah, you can see same with Matic. It is acting little bit weak because of all the liquidity over here, but it is again consolidating like other coins. Yeah, Axie Infinity, like you can see, these are the levels that we discussed yesterday. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame here, and you can see that, like I was mentioning, Axie has come and tapped our demand zone yesterday, and because this whole zone is full of support over here, you can see Axie gave a very good swing failure entry over here. On if you go on 15 minutes time frame, then you can see it clearly. Yeah, this is the swing failure entry for you to take a trade on Axie. Now these are all scalp trades, so this was the swing failure entry, test, and just consolidating like all other coins. Okay, so the last video that we made, the targets for all these coins remain same. Okay, so we'll not waste time on these coins. Now Doge did very good. It gave a breakout, and You can see that the same swing failure entry was here on Doge. And like I was mentioning yesterday, that this parallel channel is going to offer very good resistance. There is no surety, guys, in trading, so you have to make a plan and you have to stick to it. So you can see that Doge has come, tapped, and beautifully it has broken up. Okay, so this trade is almost up by 7.5% only in spot. Yeah, so very good trade to take, and I hope you all took this trade as well. LTC, like you can see, doing nothing other than consolidating like Matic and looking a little bit weaker than rest of the coins, but it is still at a major swing failure entry. So sorry, just do this properly. It is at a swing failure entry over here, and if market breaks above, then you can. I hope that this will go up and test it, and this will be your entry, and then it can go up over here. Okay, if it drops down, then this will act as resistance, and we can come to the bottom of the parallel channel. Depends on what BTC does, guys. But our targets for all the coins that we had discussed will remain same, and just take it layer by layer as the market shows you. But yeah, so far BTC is consolidating, so nothing much to update. Come and join us in Discord. And at 1700 mark, the London markets would have put some data points, and the Europe markets will be active as well. So it will be much more exciting in those times, and we'll look at the markets again. Okay, I hope that you join us in our Discord, and let's build a community where we keep things straight and we don't shill any shit coins in there, and everyone has any opinion to say. A lot of experience you can share over there so that people can learn, and let's grow this community like we have planned it, that this community is meant for helping people as much. So yeah, I hope you want to be a part of the community, and please drop a comment in the video that you watch, citing coins for the next week, and so I can plan and look at those coins. Okay, and what else? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. And please don't forget to like, because if you like the video, it helps with the algorithm. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.